The peacock perched gracefully upon the tree, its vibrant feathers shimmering in the sunlight. With a regal posture, it displayed a stunning array of colors, a mesmerizing spectacle for all who beheld it. Each feather boasted hues of emerald green, sapphire blue, and golden yellow, creating a breathtaking tapestry of nature's artistry. Its long, iridescent tail feathers cascaded behind like a magnificent train, adorned with intricate patterns and mesmerizing eye-like designs. These eye spots served as an enchanting display during courtship, capturing the attention of potential mates and admirers alike.